Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious juicy turkey that you see here. Okay, I think you guys are really going to like this one, so let me show you what I used. So these are my aromatics. This is celery, bell pepper, onion, garlic, green onions, rosemary, and thyme. In here I also have some butter, and I have some Cajun seasoning and ground black pepper. I'm also going to use some paprika. And here's my turkey. This is, of course, as you can see, a butterball turkey. This was a 12-pound bird. Okay, so first let's start with simply cleaning our meat. Okay, so you just do yours however you normally do it. Okay, just make sure, you remove all of the contents from the cavity. But of course, I know y'all already know this. Y'all like, girl, we already know this. Okay, you can use some lemons or limes to help clean the turkey. Okay, then when you're done, pat it dry. That's it. Okay, we're gonna make this delicious Cajun butter sauce. Okay, and we're going to inject the turkey with this Cajun butter. Okay, so I had some melted butter. We added Cajun seasoning, black pepper, and paprika. That's it. This was enough to flavor this turkey. Oh my gosh, it was so good. So we're going to inject the turkey with our turkey injector. You can find this at any grocery store, I'm sure, right about now. You can also find this at Walmart or Target or even Amazon, okay? So yeah, go ahead and fill up that injector with the Cajun butter. And then you're going to stick that needle right through the skin into the meat. Pull back as you push the Cajun butter into the meat, okay? You want to do this to the breast, thighs, legs, and wings, okay? So basically any part of that meat that you're going to eat, you want to inject this flavor into the meat, okay? And this is a good alternative to brining. Okay, so just a little FYI. If you don't have time to brine, this is another way to get that flavor directly into your turkey. Okay, so after you've injected your turkey, go ahead and, as you can see, add the remaining butter sauce on top of the turkey. And you can trim away any loose meat. Here we want to make our turkey look presentable and edible, and delicious. So trim away any loose meat. Okay, then add the remaining Cajun butter onto the backside of your turkey. So we're going to add some of our chopped vegetables down into our roasting pan. Okay, as you can see, I'm just using a regular foil pan. Okay, I'm going to now stuff the turkey and tuck the wings behind the breast. Okay, and this is done so that the wings do not burn. So if you don't tuck those wings, you can also just take some foil and put it on the tips of the wings, and this will prevent them from burning as well. Okay, and just take any of the remaining Cajun butter and just, baste it onto the chicken. You can also sprinkle some seasonings onto any part of the skin, that's missing some seasonings, okay? We're going to roast this turkey in our preheated 325-degree oven, okay? So as your turkey begins to release some of those good juices, you want to make sure that you put it right back onto the turkey. So you'll need a turkey baster, or you can also use a large spoon, to get this done, okay? So this is very important. You want to make sure that you are basting your turkey every 30 to 45 minutes. You also want to make sure that you rotate your turkey. We want this to cook evenly. So like with my oven, when I checked on my turkey, like the left side of the turkey was more crispy than the right side. So, I had to rotate it, to get it, nice and evenly cooked. So when we do our turkey, we like to open roast the turkey first. So in other words, we put the turkey inside and then we add the foil only after the skin is nice and golden brown and crispy. Okay, so that's an option. You can either add the foil when you first put your turkey in, or you can add it you know, after the skin of your turkey is crispy. So if you add it when you first put the turkey in, then you want to remove the foil and let your, you know, turkey, let the skin of the turkey get crispy. Okay, so you don't want to roast it the entire time with the foil on. Okay, so once the temperature of your turkey reaches, normally it's 165, but on the packaging of this turkey, it said once the temperature reaches 175, that's when it's done. Okay, so use your own discretion on that. Normally it's 165, but it might, you know, recommend that you wait until the internal temperature reaches a higher temperature. Okay. So the total time that we roasted the turkey was 5 hours, and we roasted this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until the last hour of roasting. We increased the temperature to 350. So we are cutting into this turkey. Make sure that you at least let your turkey rest for maybe about 10 or 15 minutes on your countertop. This is going to lock in those juices, and it's going to ensure that when you cut into your turkey, all of those good juices don't just run out. You know, we want that flavor to lock in. Yeah, and so I don't think there's anything else that I need to say as far as the instructions go, but this turkey was very, very juicy, flavorful, tender, okay, because we slow roasted the turkey. The skin was crispy, okay. We handled that from the beginning, meaning we didn't cover it initially. We let the skin get crispy and then we covered the turkey. And this was very, very delicious. This was so good. This was such a juicy, tender, flavorful turkey. Okay, so I hope you guys will try this recipe, and I can't wait to hear what you think about it. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.